Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2006 Ford F-150 LARIAT and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your AC air conditioner is not working, if it's not powering up at all, or if compressor is not engaging. First thing to check before anything else are your fuses. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Now all the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is just next to the passenger right leg, and the AC relay will actually be located in the engine compartment, but we'll get to that. To access the fuse box, first you want to remove this cover. You can do that easily by just pulling it towards yourself. It's held by two clips, and then you'll get access to this black fuse box cover. The easiest way to open it is by using your flat screwdriver. Just pry it inside here and pull it up towards yourself, and that will pop it off. And on the cover itself you will have a nice detailed fuse diagram which can help you to locate the specific fuse. Okay, now there is a couple of fuses you want to check here. First one will be fuse number 11. That's a 10 amp AC clutch fuse, and this is pretty much the fuse that's gonna power up the AC compressor, the clutch in it. So that fuse is located right here, the red 10 amp fuse. This is the first thing to check. Then you can check the fuse number 13. It's a 10 amp red fuse as well. This is the fuse responsible for the climate control module power. This fuse usually doesn't burn out, but it's worth checking. Next thing to check is fuse number 14. It's just next to it. It's also a 10 amp red fuse responsible for AC switch, so check that one as well. Okay, now the next fuse to check is the fuse number 32. It's this one right here, 15 amp blue fuse, which is actually responsible for AC clutch relay, power to the AC clutch relay. Okay, now these are the fuses to check in this fuse box, and now I will show you the AC relay which is under the front hood. Okay, and your small engine bay fuse box, relay box is right here, so that there is a small cover on top of it. You just pop it off, it's easy to remove, just like pry it off. And now your AC relay should be this one right here, R202. So this will be the one. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.